Smart glass and film instantly make any office space more modern and versatile. See our smart glass in action in conference rooms and learn more about how privacy glass can improve the design and productivity of your office.
We offer a range of smart glass products to create beautiful and flexible solutions that can be customized to any space. Our smart film product is applied to existing glass to transform it into switchable glass, making it the perfect retrofit option.
Whether it is a new development or an office redecoration, privacy glass is the perfect choice for the modern office. Smart glass and smart film can be installed on operable glass surfaces, such as sliding doors, swing doors, retractable glass walls and windows that open and close. A.R.A. Wraps has dealt with all kinds of installation scenarios and offers clever wiring solutions.